today and sorry about the chair. Today we're just going to be playing Animal Jam. So yeah. Let's see what party is on. Okay. I might have some crystal-y things. Oh, I have 11. Zero. Which gets me nothing great, okay. I never found the last two. I can't. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's new. Nothing. I saw this today, So let's see. Anything new in here? Nope. Alright. Maybe we can do like some attempts for things on trade. Because, I don't know. Put some pets on trade that I don't even want. Because all the pets I can get like every single one besides. I'm trying to think, the giraffe. Just besides the giraffe. I have the turkey, but how come I can't get it in this? Like, it's strange. Oh well. Well, not every single pet but the giraffe, but you know what I mean. I love this elephant, it's just like really cute. Ow. See? Hold on, I wanna see what kind of clothing this thing has. Let me pause. Alright. Oh. Cheeseburger? I'm not gonna do that. Let's see what the grasshopper has. Yeah, literally just passed it, okay. So if I have these pets, doesn't mean I have like it in the toy box or something? Or is that something different? I don't even know. No, that would be something different, I do believe. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, that's... no. Oh, I want to see what... I want to see what the squirrel has because... I'm gonna look at all the animals to see. Right. Ooh. I like this. These are just... Alright, let's see. Oh my god, it's the color. Okay. Is all in purple? Okay, I need to get another goat. Wait, I want to try this purple first. Like all purple. Okay, let's do this. Okay, yes, it's all purple. Let's take anyone. No. Yeah, we will have another one. Come on. Okay, so let's make it purple. Or... Nope, I don't have baby. Okay, we're back. And let's hurry up and get this. That's our first video, and bye.